In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel ExpressVPN and get a full refund before 30 days. If you're still within your first 30 days as a new customer, ExpressVPN offers a full money-back guarantee. The important thing to understand is that canceling and getting refunded are not the same action. First, you need to stop automatic renewal so you won't be billed again, and then you need to directly ask support for the refund. Also, if you subscribed through Apple or Google on your phone, the process is a little different because those purchases are handled through the App Store. If you paid directly on the ExpressVPN website, start by opening your browser and going to expressvpn.com/signin. Log into your account, and if you're asked for an email verification code, complete that step to continue. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your account area. You can usually find this by clicking the profile icon in the top right corner, or by opening the subscription or billing section from the side menu. Next, find the part of the page that shows your subscription details. Look for the option that says Manage Subscription Settings or Edit Subscription Settings. Open that section, then choose Turn Off Automatic Renewal. You may be taken through a few prompts or short survey screens asking why you're leaving. Just keep going until you see a clear confirmation that your subscription has been canceled. That confirmation is important because it means future billing has been stopped. After that, go back to the main ExpressVPN homepage and open the live chat box in the lower right corner. Enter the email address connected to your account and start the chat. When a support agent joins, clearly state that you are within your first 30 days, that you want to cancel your service, and that you are requesting a full refund under the 30-day money-back guarantee. If they ask why, you can simply say that you no longer need the service. Wait until the agent confirms that your refund has been approved, and keep a record of the request reference if one is provided. Refunds usually return to your original payment method within 3 to 5 business days. If you subscribed through the Apple App Store, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad, tap your profile at the top, go to Subscriptions, select ExpressVPN, and cancel the subscription. Then go to reportaproblem.apple.com and submit a refund request for that purchase. If you subscribe through Google Play, open the Play Store, tap your profile icon, go to Payments and Subscriptions, then Subscriptions, select ExpressVPN and cancel it there. After that, you can still contact ExpressVPN live chat for refund assistance. Finally, check your email for a refund confirmation, confirm your account shows as canceled or expired, and monitor your bank or card statement over the next few business days to make sure the full amount is returned.